Hello, Drone On community. Got an important announcement for you today. We are no longer the Drone On podcast. We are now officially the Drone Network. It turns out that Drone On is a great name for a podcast. So good, in fact, that within a month of me launching the podcast, I discovered there were about a dozen other Drone On podcasts. So, as we are mapping the tech, economics, and people building the world's largest drone imagery network, we are now officially the Drone Network. I will continue to be your host, Bryce Bladen, and on this show we will continue to explore the tech, economics, and people piloting the world's largest standardized drone imagery network. We will continue to explore how drones are reshaping industries, creating new economic opportunities, and literally changing how we see the world. We've got some incredibly exciting upcoming episodes from people with incredibly unique careers in drone imagery and other drone applications, some insights into what makes a successful drone pilot, and a whole lot more. I hope you guys will enjoy. I'm really looking forward to it, and I can't wait to see you there.